The pride of boxing, the pride of the Philippines, the one and only Manny Pacman Pacquiao! 146.8 pounds for Pacman, 146.8 for Manny Pacman Pacquiao.
He's back. He will now be the man who has fought the most right here at the MGM Grand Garden, number 16. More than anybody in history, Tyson, Mayweather, all of the great fights that have come in here. When you see that banner up, you've gone into the Hall of Fame. You've won in 8 divisions, 12 titles. You have everything. What made you decide that you wanted to do this again?
First of all, I would like to, I'm so happy because I'm back, and I'm back because of boxing is my passion. I miss boxing, and I'm so thankful to God because until now He gave me the strength, keep me safe, and give me good health. That's why Manny Pacquiao is still here, and I'm back.
The last man who said I'm back was Michael Jordan. He came back and he won 3 titles. Are you channeling some of that?
Well, this comeback is dedicated to the Lord my God.
Final thought. It's been 4 years since you've been hit. How do you prepare for everything that you've known in your past life but haven't been used to the past 4 years?
You know, those 4 years in the past that I retired in boxing, I really miss boxing, and it's good for my body because I'm able to give my body rest for 4 years because I've been in boxing for how many decades since when I was 12. So until now, so good for my body to rest for 4 years, and now I'm back. I'm excited to the fight, and I'm really hungry to win again the fight and give the fans a good fight. I know the fans, they're waiting for a good fight. I know Marius is working hard, but that's our job. That's our job to entertain the crowd, to give you a good fight, and to satisfy on Saturday night. That's our job.
Hey, best of luck. You're a legend, a living legend, and everybody's looking forward to your performance tomorrow night.
Thank you.